guys, this is my hashtag on holiday with Hobbii, and this is what I made. I made some washcloths. We can always take washcloths on our trips and stuff. Okay guys, let's take a closer look at this. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel. Today's video is a sponsored video from Hobbii, so I just want to say thank you, Hobbii, for allowing me to showcase the beautiful yarns that you have. Well, today's video happens to be the yarn that I'm going to show is going to be their cotton yarn, which is my favorite cotton yarn. And so this is actually titled hashtag on holiday with Hobbii. I will leave that right across here. And what it is just, you know, to make something and showcase something that you take on holidays with you, a memory or something like that. Well, mine was a memory that my mother, that she would always, when someone was getting married, she would give dish towels and washcloths type thing. You know, some kind of towels or type. That was just like her thing. And every time someone got married, we all knew what they were going to be receiving, or they all knew what they were going to be receiving from my mother. So, in a way, I guess this video could kind of be dedicated to my mother. But so what I did is I have a washcloth right here. I do have a tutorial I put out about a week or so ago. And I'm using Hobbii's Cotton 8/8 yarn. So I made a purple and white, a pink and white, or it's actually light gray, sorry, turquoise and light gray, and a red and a light gray. That's what I've made so far. I still got more colors to make. Here is the beautiful yarns. I have this in my last year's patriotic throw, and I did a patriotic basket, and so I have all this yarn in here. It's just beautiful. It is my favorite yarn, cotton yarn. It's called Friends Cotton 8/8, and let's see, it's 100% cotton. There are 82 yards in here. So I'm not going to call off all these colors. What I will do is I'll leave a link in the description box below. Well, I guess I could call off the colors. They're numbers. So if you want to write these numbers down, 47, 45, 63, 117. Not sure how I'm going to hold all this. All right, let's see how that's going. That's 117. And this is 86. I think that may be all. Oh, and I'm using a G 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. I do believe that may be all. Oh, no, here's another one. But this was actually for another project, but I still may use it on the washcloths. The color of this one is 04. So yeah, so there they are. What I'm doing is when I make these washcloths, I plan on taking these colors and combining them with the gray for this look. So I will leave the link in the description box below of all this beautiful yarn. Like I said, it is just my favorite cotton yarn. So I'm so excited that Hobbii is allowing me to try their yarn out and showcase this to you guys, because it is my favorite. Friends Cotton 8/8. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share that short story with you, and you know, let you know about Hobbii's yarn, let you know about the pattern that I have that I use for their yarn, you know, all the good stuff. So yeah, go check out Hobbii. If you want to see all the other different yarns that other podcasters are using for their project, just type in Instagram and on YouTube. You can type in hashtag on holiday with Hobbii, and you'll get to hear some interesting stories of why people are making what they, you know, are making. And like I said, I'm making mine because really it's kind of dedicated to my mother, because it brings back memories of my mother. And so yeah, I'm giving mine out as gifts. Maybe not wedding gifts, but they will be given out as gifts. So guys, just check out the links below if you are interested in trying these colors. I really think that you're going to love them. I love them. So I do highly recommend them. Yeah, so that's all I have for this video. So guys, just live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.